How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. It is a beautiful afternoon here in sunny Southern California. First and foremost, I really just want to express my gratitude to each and every one of you who has supported Strictly Sedans in any way, shape, or form, and just by simply clicking on this video and watching it. Please, if you haven't already, make sure to drop a like down below, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think, give me some feedback. There's a lot coming, so stay tuned. You're going to want to see it. Just packed and am getting ready to ship. As you can see, a lot of orders. My backpack is entirely full, so it's insane. Also, I just surpassed 900 orders all time, which is, wow, that's the first time I've said it out loud. I just got goosebumps. Wow. Oh my god. I'm sorry, this is like just really hitting me. That is insane. I'll pull up my Shopify really quick and show you guys, because this is insane. Wow. Dude, what the hell? God, that is crazy. There you go. Order 1901. That is like seriously crazy. So, thank you guys so much for all of your support. Thank you for, if you've placed an order, thank you. If you haven't and you follow the Instagram page, thank you. It's just, this is, wow. Wow, I cannot believe that. I'm sorry, I'm entirely in shock. I'm entirely in shock. Like, that's crazy. That's super cool. Backpack full of orders, and a whole lot more on the way. So, thank you guys. That's really all that I have to say. I'm just extremely grateful. So, all that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I went out and bought some Akibonos, because, you know, why not? Casey's rebuilding his, and he was missing a few seals, so figured why not? Went out and picked them up. Casey took the seals out of them, so since they were already apart, figured we might as well give them a nice clean. It looks incredible. I have a picture of what they looked like before, so I'll put that on the screen right here. These things were absolutely horrendous. So we dropped them in an ultrasonic cleaner, and this second batch just finished. As you can see, it didn't get everything. This is a massive, massive improvement over what they looked like before we dropped them in. So Casey rebuilt his, got him fully powder coated. The rebuild kit that he bought did not come with these 4 tiny little seals that sit in between the pieces of the calipers right here to keep fluid from leaking out, because the fluid is fed through a feed screw right there, and then it comes through the caliper because they're 2 piston rears and 4 piston fronts. It comes through the caliper, and this is the little orifice that it feeds the fluid through to the front portion of it. The rebuild kit that he bought didn't come with these seals, so he bought a different rebuild kit that does come with these seals, but it's back ordered until June. So I went out and bought these Akibonos. Gonna let Casey use these seals in the meantime. Prepping my set now to go and get powder coated. I haven't chosen a color yet, but I'm gonna go powder coat them and refreshing them, because they're obviously pretty beat up, as you can see. This is just a cleaning process, and I'm gonna send them out to get powder coated sometime soon, and then once that seal kit that Casey bought comes in and is actually here, we're gonna rebuild them, and I'm gonna throw them on the G, which is pretty sick. Baby bandsaw Casey found on the side of the road. He cut an entire chunk off of this like 1/8 inch thick fucking steel bar. So funny. Grabbed this one out and started kind of just wiping it down, and I actually was able to get pretty much everything except for like the really deep stuff. I think it should be okay. I'm gonna try to get as much of it as I can, but it's also all gonna be sandblasted. It's not the biggest problem in the world if I can't get everything. There's definitely a good majority of it all coming off, so that's what matters really. This stuff was just, I think we did 2 ultrasonic cycles with this. One was 20 minutes, the other was 5, and I just took a bottle of degreaser and a little tiny paintbrush and just kind of like wiped everything off with a brush as best as I could in between those cycles. And this is like tits. Like, it looks almost perfect. This one is a little more rough, but I'm gonna go with this with the rag and everything again. So it's pretty crazy how efficient these things are. It's really insane, honestly. So next I'm gonna throw the pistons in. I've been letting them soak with a little bit of water and degreaser. Throw the pistons in, clean all of the pieces that are in here a little more thoroughly, and then throw the pistons and hardware and other stuff in with this one more time, and then we'll see how that's doing afterward. You can see how dirty this water is, like absolutely filthy. And this is from full cycles of these portions and one cycle of the pieces that are in here right now. It's extremely dirty, so obviously this is working, which is just so sick. So now I'm gonna drop all the pistons in, get these all nice and cleaned up as well. Because we're rebuilding everything, so I want everything to be nice looking. I'm just gonna drop all of our hardware in there as well. So let's just drop in all of our hardware. Spread it out a little. And there we go. Timer on 20 minutes. This thing is really cool. So I haven't obviously taken these off yet, but I did put on my push style quick release tabs. And as you can see, you know, obviously still fitment isn't perfect, but for the millionth time, it's a bumper for a coupe. So I'm not tripping about it. It looks a whole lot better than my old one did. I think it's super cool. Just for reference, if anybody is rebuilding a set of Akebono calipers like these for a G, a Z, Q, here's your torque spec. I bought a full set of Akebonos, so Casey can have that seal right there. Oh yeah. Oh, she's done. See how we're looking now that second cycle is done. Ooh, that's nice and warm. Wow, that is crazy. That is crazy. Wow, dude. Ultrasonic cleaners are the real deal. Let's see what the pistons look like. They're still a little dirty, but a whole lot better than they were. So sick, dude. If you guys have access, I very strongly recommend utilizing an ultrasonic cleaner for any cleaning needs. Very thankful that we have access to this one. That's awesome, dude. That is so cool. Get all the degreaser, all the soap off, nasty water, everything like that. Don't want them to just be soaking in it. Just placed an order through Drift HQ for my hydro mounting bracket. Thank you, Adam LZ. That'll be here soon. Squeaking my shoes. Oh. Torque your Casey ceramic coated his calipers. I just finished cleaning off all the pistons. Oh, beads. Well, the ceramic coat works. As you can see, there's some slight corrosion happening inside. Same thing was happening on Casey's, so he painted the inside of them black. So we're gonna do the same thing on these. There we go. As you can tell, I'm back home. We basically just ended the night by finishing pulling everything out of the ultrasonic cleaner. We let the paint on all the inner portions of the pistons dry, and then we kind of just cleaned up and left. By the time that we left, it was pretty late, so there you go. You saw it right there. I just placed the order for my powder coat and a clear coat. I am very excited about this. I'm not going to show you guys the color. I'm not going to tell you what it is. To be honest, I kind of decided pretty freaking quick. I'm confident with my choice. I'm very excited about it, very happy, and I hope you guys are going to be too. Yeah. I have Akebonos now. I never planned on getting Akebonos. I was always planning on getting Brembos off of a 350Z or a G35 like every other G35 guy does. just because it's the more common thing to do. And the Brembos are traditionally cheaper. A full set of Brembos is usually like $650 to $800, $850 for a full set. Sometimes you can get that price with rotors and pads as well. Sometimes you could even get a better price. I think the cheapest set that I've ever seen was like $550, and they were gone like that. That being said, Akubonos are usually much more expensive. Very, very, very rarely you'll see them for like $8 or so, but usually like $9 to $12, $9 to $14. It really varies, but that's usually the price range that Akubonos are in. So I was never really like strongly considering it or thinking about it. I was like, wow, this would be cool because Akubonos are sick. But I never like ever really strongly considered it just because it's sometimes double the price of the Brembos. I picked up this full set of Akubonos. It was, so calipers and pads, full set was $450. Started giggling because it's such a surreal thing to be saying. Like, I got a full set of Akubonos for $450. I'm also very thankful that we had the ultrasonic cleaner to be able to use. That was really awesome, as you guys saw. Completely changed the way that they looked. So I guess we'll see what happens. I'm very excited, and I hope you guys are too. This is awesome. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed today's video. When I powder coat the Akubonos, I will make a video about it, so that'll be coming soon. Stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one. Shoots.